All right, so I want to do a sort of pre-market analysis and also go over some of the stuff I'll be going over today really quickly. So the market right now is dumping, or it had dumped. I marked this region just before it dumped. And as you can see, there's a bit of a relief bounce there. And what that kind of says to me is that if we look at all the other stocks that we're looking at, they're all in the same region. So if I start with Apple, come on. I don't know why it's not doing that. Oh, of course, because it's not linked. Why is it not linked? Okay, it is linked here. But anyway, I was looking at the wrong thing. Let me just correct. Let's see now. Yeah, let's take this off. And then also take this off. Show subgraph. No, I don't know why I can. Let's see now. I don't know how to take that off, but anyway, it doesn't matter. Yeah, the volume is pretty high for pre-market dump, but as you can see, there's a relief there. So Apple as well is pretty much in the same thing. It's also in a strong demand area. There is this trend line here, which we're kind of at, and I'm just thinking that we're going to break this if the market sells off. I don't think it will because over on this side we have quite a bit of chop here, so it has a lot to go through there. So I'm going to take this off. The same thing with Tesla. Tesla actually broke its own wedge. Actually, no, it hasn't. It's actually just used it as support. So we may even see a good rally. I'm also thinking that this could be a region. There are lots of lines here and I need to clean this up, but this could be a good region. We may just have Tesla kind of hovering in between these points. Another one that I'm looking at, Dkng, I bought some shares in yesterday. It's rallying really hard. I don't plan on trading this today because it just is a very choppy stock to trade. Every time I day trade it, I find it very challenging. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't plan on really taking any trades with it. Apple I like. I do want to see if we can get a nice rise in demand or even supply. I'm not sure. It's very, very difficult to say just looking at this chart right now because there are just so many regions. But like I said, we have that support, so maybe we could take that up. Tesla, the same thing. Etsy was very challenging yesterday. I didn't like the way it was moving, but because it's at all-time highs, I expect maybe this could be a good rally up again, maybe just through this, come down and then go back up again. I don't know. We'll see how that works out. BA is in a channel. Yeah, BA is very much in a channel, and I'm looking to kind of play in this range. So I'm going to watch that. Well, I don't know if I'm going to play, but I'm just going to watch it. So we have BA, and then finally Snap. Snap broken the wedge, and we kind of are doing this right now. Again, maybe a rally up to retest this and then see what happens. We may even start going down again. All depends on how the price goes. But we have a flag here, as you can see, a bear flag, and this could be a nice continuation pattern. So I'm just going to watch this, see how it plays out the day, and then going to take a trade and then just hopefully see how we just... Today, my goal, and I'm hoping I'm able to do this, is to try and be a bit more patient, a lot more controlled, take good setups, as opposed to just one quick scalp that just takes out all my buying power. I'll see how it goes. If I see a really good opportunity, I will just take it and then just leave it because I have other things I need to do for the rest of the day. But anyway, so that's everything right now. That's like the date is March 3rd. It's almost 9 o'clock. And yeah, we'll just see how this all goes. I initially wanted to just look at 4 stocks, but now I'm looking at 6. I'm going to try and keep it to that. I don't want to look at any more than that because even looking at 6 is really tough. So, all right, let's see how it goes today.